Hey everyone, welcome. I am from Devintelle Consulting Services, an Odoo development company that builds solutions for real business problems. So we have built a complete WhatsApp integration suite for Odoo, multiple WhatsApp accounts, all template types with live preview, default integration with every Odoo module, live chat with automatic lead creations, bulk WhatsApp marketing with time zone based scheduling, custom groups, direct data imports, and a full advanced analytics dashboard. Now, there are such solutions in the market, but what we are offering is more advanced features at the base pricing. The module is live on Odoo App Store right now, currently available for version 18, and by the time this playlist comes out, it will be available for all versions. Alright, enough talking, let's start exploring how it works. Alright, so first we will install our module. For that, need to go on the app menu and search for the WhatsApp integration. You will find this module. Need to activate or install this module. Once installation get complete, then you have to go for settings. Inside user, you will find the access right option. For the WhatsApp, you can select manager or user. For the admin user, we have selected manager. So you will get the WhatsApp menu. In WhatsApp section, you will have WhatsApp dashboard, templates, marketing, messages, and configurations. So in this video, we will see how we will configure our multiple WhatsApp accounts inside the module. Then after, in different videos, we will see how templates will be created, how marketing messages will be done, everything. So right now I have two accounts. One is connected and second one is draft. So I have placed my user token, app ID, app secret, WhatsApp business ID, my phone number ID, all the details I have placed over here. Now after this, I have option to test this connection, means the token, the app ID, the provided information, credentials is valid or not. So I will click on the test connection. So it will check your tokens and all things, and you will see the notification for connection successful. And I will refresh the page and I will see my logo that I have set for this phone number, my extra details about this phone number, the business name, status of connected or not, and then I have basic profile details that I have given on the WhatsApp site. So if you get these all details, that means the WhatsApp is successfully connected, and you can now generate your webhook URL and verify token. Need to copy from here and need to place on the Meta app. So we will get connected with the Meta for the two-way communications, like any new chat comes, any new customer message on your platform, then it will redirect to our controller, our Odoo system, right? So inside this, you have the discuss section, in which one will be default user who has been logged in directly set, and then you have extra member section, in which you can add your multiple members. So whenever new chat comes, new customer message on your platform, the channel will be created with all members that you have placed. So multi users channel you will get. So once this configurations has been done, you can see I have multiple accounts. So for the company settings, you have to select one default account that will help you in any wizard, any pop-up. This will be act as your default account. You can change your account as your need, but this will be your default account. So that's it for this video. In next video, we will see how the templates will be created, how incoming message will be handled in the discuss channel.